Welcome to our first book, The Boat Ride. In a small garden in the city, there was a big maple tree. A family of squirrels lived on that tree. Vicky is one member of that family who likes to talk big. His cousin, Cato, had come to visit him from far forest. Today we should go in a big boat, said Vicky to Cato. But I'm afraid of water. I cannot swim, mumbled Cato. Come on, you scrappy squirrel. With Vicky around, you need not be afraid. I have been on a boat many times. Vicky importantly leading the way, they reached the river.
The boat was tied to a post, so they ran up the rope, hopped into the boat, and sat curled in a corner. Slowly, the boat started moving up and down the river, which curled and curved through the trees. Cato saw many ducks swimming past them. The fish put their heads out of the water and gulped a hello. Some swans majestically glide near them. They were so beautiful that Cato tried to touch one and he toppled over into the river. As he went deeper into the water, he passed some fish. Help! Help! He gaggled as he passed the boat. Vicky did not know what to do. He just scampered from one side of the boat to the other side, shouting, "Help! A squirrel overboard!" A swan had seen Cato fall into the water. He just put her head down in the water and picked up Cato in her beak. Then she tossed him into the boat. A shivering, trembling Cato sat in a sunny corner to dry himself. Vicky sat quietly near him. As he got warm and dry, he cheered up. What an adventure! Wait till I tell the folks back home. Already he fancied himself as a sailor, a hero, brave and adventurous. When the boat reached the bank, the squirrels hopped off and swaggered their way home. Cato was finding it difficult to keep his grand adventure inside his head. His head was going round and round like the boat. He shut his eyes and fell asleep at the dinner table. The end. What fun! What fun! Our reading is done.
Do you like our first story? That's great. Can you answer some questions? Awesome. So, what colors do you see? And what animals do you see?